Hello friends, welcome to today's detailed video. In this video, we're going to talk deeply about the United States 1-cent coin from the year 1982. This is a very special year for US pennies because in 1982, a big change happened in the metal composition of the coin. Before 1982, most pennies were made of 95% copper, but in 1982 the US Mint switched to using zinc with a thin copper coating. That means in the same year, you will find two types of pennies. One made of copper, one made of zinc. And because of this, collectors are always very interested in 1982 pennies. Today we will focus on the 1982 penny without mint mark, and we will see how much it is worth in today's coin market. The 1982 penny was struck in huge numbers. Philadelphia mint coins usually do not carry a mint mark. Denver mint coins carry the D mint mark. But here, when we say 1982 penny without mint mark, we are mainly talking about the coins made in Philadelphia. Now, 1982 is also tricky because it has 7 different varieties if you count size and composition. There are large date and small date versions, and both in copper and zinc. So, if you have a 1982 penny without a mint mark, first you must check. Is it copper or zinc? Is it large date or small date? These differences can change the value. How can you check the difference? The easiest way is by weight. A copper penny from 1982 will weigh 3.11 grams. A zinc penny from 1982 will weigh only 2.5 grams. So if you have a small scale, you can easily check. Another way is the sound test. Copper pennies make a ringing sound when dropped. Zinc pennies make a dull sound. This identification is important because collectors usually pay more for the copper versions. Next, the condition of your penny is very important. Circulated coins, the ones used in daily life, with scratches and wear, usually have low value, close to face value, just 1 cent. Uncirculated coins, shiny, no wear, almost mint state, can bring much higher prices. Coins graded by professional companies like PCGS or NGC, especially in higher mint state grades like MS65 or MS67, can be very valuable. So when we talk about value, we must always link it with the condition of the coin. Now, let us come to the main part, the value in today's market. For 1982 penny without mint mark. Copper, circulated, around 1 to 3 cents. The value is slightly above face value because of copper content. Copper, uncirculated, MS60, MS63 between $1 and $5. These can sell from $20 up to $100 plus, depending on the buyer and demand. Zinc, circulated, mostly just face value, 1 cent. Zinc, uncirculated, around 50 cents to $2. High-grade zinc pennies, MS65 plus, can reach $20 to $50. Also, remember that special small date varieties, especially in copper, can bring more than $100 in top grade. So, always check carefully before selling. In recent auctions, some 1982 pennies without mint mark, graded very high, have sold for impressive prices. For example, a 1982 small date copper penny in MS67 red has sold for over $1,000. Even zinc versions in very high grade can surprise collectors and go for hundreds of dollars. These examples show that while most 1982 pennies are common, the finest quality coins can still be rare and expensive. Here are some useful tips if you have 1982 pennies. Always check weight. Copper is more valuable. Look for small date varieties. Collectors love them. Keep coins in protective holders to avoid damage. If you believe your coin is very high grade, consider professional grading. Watch the market trends because copper value can increase with metal prices. Let's summarize everything slowly again for clarity. 1982 was a transition year. Copper changed to zinc. Without mint mark equals Philadelphia Mint. 2 main categories, copper and zinc. Copper pennies are heavier and more valuable. Circulated coins are usually low value, but uncirculated coins, especially graded ones, can be worth dollars to even hundreds. Small date copper is the most collectible. So friends, this was the complete, detailed discussion about the 1982 USA 1-cent coin without mint mark and its value in today's market. If you have one, Don't just spend it. Check carefully, it might be worth more than you think. Thank you for staying with me in this long video. If you enjoyed it, do share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more detailed coin value guides.